Hello everyone, welcome to the class of geometry for class 8 and we've been doing triangles. So yesterday we have started with exercise 17a and we'll continue with the sums. Okay, so we've done question number 1 and 2 yesterday and 3 was your assignment. Now we'll continue with question number 4 and 5. Okay. So, how do we solve questions related to triangles when the figures are given? Okay, how do we solve the triangles when the figures are given? So, from the figures, we have to find the value of x, which is your unknown. Okay, so let's move on to the first one. Here, the triangle is ABC. The triangle is your ABC. Angle B is your 70 degree. Now, angle ACD is your 108 degree. And this angle is outside the triangle. So, this is your exterior angle. This 70 is your interior angle. Okay, you don't need to write it. I'm just explaining it to you. Now again, angle CAE. Okay, angle CAE. This angle which you need to find is also your exterior angle. So here in this figure, we'll be solving the value of x with the concept of exterior angle. So since in the previous class we have done that sum of the interior opposite angles is equal to your exterior angle. And which interior angles are we going to take? We're going to take this ACD. So your exterior angle is your ACD, this angle. If this is your exterior angle, then which one would be the interior opposite? It would be this and this angle. Okay, this and this. Okay, and so what do we know is your angle ABC. Angle ABC, this angle ABC plus angle BAC, which is your this angle. Angle BAC is equal to your angle ACD. Okay, is equal to your angle ACD. Now what is the value of ABC? This angle is given as 70 degree. Angle BAC, we don't know this angle. So first we need to find this angle in order to find the value of x. And ACD is your 108. So from here, angle BAC would be equal to 108 degree minus 70. So what do we get? When we subtract, we get 8 and 3, which is your 38 degree. Okay, so what is your angle BAC? This angle is your 38 degree. Now we know this angle, 38 degree. Now how do we calculate this angle with the help of this, the one that we have just calculated? Now see, you have learned this in your junior classes only. These two angles, they lie on a same straight line. They lie on a straight line, which means angle BAC plus angle CAE, okay, they lie on a straight line. So together they make 180 degree. Now why 180 degree? Reason is their angles formed on a straight line. Okay, they are angles formed on a straight line. Okay, they are also called linear pair. Okay, they are also called linear pair, which we will be learning later in the same chapter. Okay, for now, just understand they are angles formed on a straight line. So you know, straight angle, they make 180 degree, which you have learned in class 6 itself. Now angle BAC is your 38 degree, angle CAE is your X 180. Therefore from here X would be equal to 180. 38 goes to the other side, becomes minus 38, which would be equal to 10 minus 8, 2, which is your 142 degree. So what do we get the value of X? We get the value of X 142 degree. Okay, so first we know the exterior angle. From the concept of exterior angle, we calculated the interior opposite angles. We didn't know the value of this angle, so we calculated this angle. With the help of this angle, we know that these two angles, they form on the same straight line, and the straight angle is equal to 180 degree. So angles which lie on a straight line, they together make 180 degree. So we know the value of this angle, and then from there we calculate the value of X. Okay, this is how we solve the value of X if a figure is given. The same way we'll be calculating X for this figure, which is your 2. Okay, question for figure 2. Now what does the question say here? See, this angle is given, this angle is unknown, which is your Y, this angle is 52 degree given, this angle is 48 degree given, this is your X degree, which is unknown. We need to find this angle. Okay, in order to find this angle, first we go with this angle, which is inside. So just the figure here. Okay, I am drawing this figure, this here. Just see this angle. You have A, you have C, you have D, and this is your E. And the angle which is given here, this angle, okay, the angle which is given here, this angle is your 112, which is, now you can make it from here on. This angle is your exterior angle, isn't it? So you can write down angle ACD plus angle CAD, this is your angle, is equal to angle ADE. This is concept of exterior angles. Okay, we know that sum of the interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So this angle ACD, CAD, when you add this to angle, gives you 112. So this would be your Y. CAD is your 52, which is equal to 112. So from here you get Y is equals to 112 plus 52, when it goes to the other side becomes minus 52. So when you subtract them, you get it as 0, 60. Okay, so you got the value of Y. Now Y changes to, we know the value of Y, which is your 60 degree. Okay, now you know the value of Y, and this value is 60 degree. Now we don't need this exterior angle. Okay, we don't need this angle. Now what we're gonna do is we'll focus on the other angle. Now we'll be focusing on this triangle. We'll be focusing on this triangle in order to find the value of x. So I'll just draw the figure here. It's not 90 degrees, so it's somewhat like this, a little bit like this. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, and this is your D. Okay, and this angle we just calculated is your 60 degree, which was your Y. So just now we calculated this value as 60 degree. This angle is given as 48 degree. This value is given as x. Again, we will use the concept of, here again we'll use the concept of exterior angle, which means angle ABC, which is this angle, angle BAC, which is your this angle, should be equal to your exterior angle, which is your ACD. Again, we are using the concept of exterior angle. Sum of the interior opposite is equal to the exterior angle. Now angle ABC is given as 48 degree. And angle BAC is given your x, which we need to calculate, and angle ACD, which you just calculated, is your 60 degree. So from here we get the value of x as 60 minus 48, and that would be your 12 degree. Okay, so this is how we calculate the value of unknown. So we have to use all the knowledge of exterior angles, some of the angles of a triangle, straight angle, okay, all the concepts, whatever we know of, and implement to solve the value of unknown angles. Okay, this is how we calculate the value of unknowns given. So I hope it is clear, and if there's anything that you need further clarification with, please do let me know. Okay, if you want it to be explained again or any confusion here, please do let me know. Now we'll be doing question number 5. Question number 5. The figure given here is A, B, C. This is your O, this is your X, this is your Y, and this is your Z. This is also X. Sorry, this is your Z. This is your Y. This is also Y. And the angle A is given as 54 degree. Now here we don't have any exterior angle, okay? You don't see any angles which are formed outside of a triangle. So what concept are we going to use here? We'll use the concept of sum of the angles of a triangle. Now first, just see the angle which is outside, not this angle, the angle which is outside, the outside angle. Okay, let's forget about the angle which is inside. This angle is your ABC. This angle is given as 54 degree. This angle X, and here you have Y and Y. That means X plus X together make this angle B. Y plus Y together make this angle C. So, using the concept of angle sum property, which means when you add the three angles of a triangle, it should be 180 degree. So, angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. ABC is your this angle. So here it is x and x. So x plus x gives us, we can just write over here x plus x, which gives us 2x. Angle BAC, this is your BAC, which is given already as 54 degree. Angle ACB, which is your y plus y plus y is your 2y, together makes 180 degree. Now we cannot solve for x or y, so we write them together. And 54, when we can remove 54, so when it goes to the other side becomes minus 54, which means 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 5 2, and we get 126 degree. Now see here 2x and 2y. So what is common from 2x and 2y? It is the number 2. We have 2 here, we have 2 here. So 2x plus y gives us 126 degree. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 126 degree divided by 2, which is your 53 degree. Okay, x plus y is equal to 126 degree divided by 2, which is equal to your 53 degree. Next, we'll continue because we have to find the value of the unknowns. We have to find the value of x, we have to find the value of y, we have to find the value of z. But we don't have the value of x and y individually. What do we have here is x plus y is equals to 53 degree. Okay. Now we're done with this outside triangle. We're done with this. Now we move on to the angle which is inside. Sorry, we move on to the triangle which is inside, which is your OBC. Now this OBC, angle OBC is your x, angle OCB is your y, and angle BOC is your z. So again we'll use the same concept, angle sum property, which is your 180 degree, since we don't have any exterior angle, which means angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now OBC, as you can see, it's x. OCB, as you can see, is your y, and BOC given is z, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this has been continued over here in case if you are confused. Now we already have x plus y. We just calculated the value of x plus y, which is equal to your 53 degree. So instead of x plus y, what are we going to write? We write it as 53 degree. Because from the first figure, we have calculated that the value of x and y, the sum of x plus y is 53 degree. So instead of x plus y, we're going to write 53 degree plus z equals to 180 degree. So z is equal to 180 degree, and plus 53 when it comes to this side becomes minus 53. So what do we get the value of z? 7. So we get it as 127 degree. Now we know the value of z. What is the value of z? The value of z is 127 degree. Okay, so let me see if the question has asked for the more, whether the question has asked us to find the value of x and y as well. If not, okay, the question only asks us to find the value of BOC. So BOC means your angle Z. So BOC is equal to 127 degrees. This is your answer. Okay, so this is how we find the value of unknown with the help of the figure given. Okay, using the concept of angle sum property, exterior angles and straight angles. Okay, so we'll end the class for today and we'll continue with the same chapter in the next class. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.